Hi all you leopard kids, and welcome to today's online lesson. My name is Nas, an environmental educator for the Cape Leopard Trust. So today we will be discussing some of the threats facing the leopards of the Western Cape. In our modern world, wildlife face numerous of challenges. Today we will be focusing on habitat and human-wildlife conflict. Let's start by looking at habitat. Historical data reveals leopards used to roam the entirety of our country. Nowadays, they're only confined to small natural areas that's left untouched, especially here in the Western Cape. The last leopard on the Cape Peninsula was seen in the 1850s. That's 170 years ago. Now, why is this? If we look at habitat loss and habitat fragmentation, we first need to look at the definition of each. Habitat loss is the clearing of natural areas to make space for different land uses, for example, agriculture or urban development. Habitat fragmentation is when large natural areas are transformed into smaller, isolated patches. For example, farms, roads, fences, they divide the habitat. In doing so, it reduces the movement of predator and prey. It's clear to see how habitat loss through destruction and fragmentation reduces the available space for leopards to hunt and survive. The next threat we're going to look at is human-wildlife conflict. Now this occurs when humans and wildlife compete for the same space and available resources. This has a negative impact on both humans, wildlife, and the resources. For example, predators, it's preying on livestock. Now, some of the ways in which humans try and control leopards is by the illegal setting of traps, wire snares, poison, and other forms of killing. Now, these methods are non-selective and indiscriminate. They not only kill leopards, but any other animal that comes across its path. They inflict a severe amount of pain, causing the animal to die a slow death. To recap our lesson today, the two main threats leopards of the Western Cape are facing is habitat loss through destruction and fragmentation, as well as leopards being lost due to human-wildlife conflict by the setting of illegal traps, wire snares, and poison. Thank you very much for listening. Please join me next time when we'll discuss more topics on the leopard of the Western Cape.